Surprising benefits of going for a walk daily. Walking is often considered one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise. Many people underestimate the benefits that regular walking can have on their health and well-being. Here, we will discuss the surprising benefits of going for a walk daily. 1. Improves cardiovascular health. One of the most significant benefits of walking is its ability to improve cardiovascular health. Regular walking can help reduce the risk of developing heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation. Walking also helps strengthen the heart and lungs, making them more efficient at delivering oxygen to the body's tissues. 2. Aids in weight loss. Walking is an excellent way to lose weight, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Walking burns calories and helps to increase metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Regular walking also helps to reduce belly fat, which is linked to an increased risk of heart disease and other health issues. 3. Boosts mood and mental health. Going for a walk daily can have a positive impact on mental health and mood. Walking releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. It also provides an opportunity to clear the mind, reduce feelings of depression, and increase feelings of overall well-being. 4. Enhances bone and joint health. Walking is a low-impact form of exercise that can help enhance bone and joint health. It helps to strengthen bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Regular walking also helps to improve joint flexibility and mobility, reducing the risk of joint-related conditions like arthritis. 5. Improves digestive health. Walking can help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive issues like constipation. Walking helps to stimulate the muscles of the digestive system, which can help to move food through the body more efficiently. It can also reduce the risk of developing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. 6. Boosts immune system function. Walking can also help to boost the immune system's function, reducing the risk of developing illnesses like the common cold and flu. It helps to increase the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Regular walking also helps to reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic health conditions. 7. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Regular walking can help reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, cancer, and stroke. Studies have shown that walking can help to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and lower blood sugar levels, all of which are risk factors for developing type 2 diabetes. Walking can also help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and colon cancer. 8. Increases energy levels. Walking is a natural energy booster. Going for a walk can help to increase blood flow and oxygen to the muscles, providing an immediate energy boost. It also helps to reduce feelings of fatigue and lethargy, making it easier to stay alert and focused throughout the day. In conclusion, going for a walk daily has many surprising benefits for our health and well-being. It improves cardiovascular health, aids in weight loss, boosts mood and mental health, enhances bone and joint health, improves digestive health, and boosts immune system function. By making walking a regular part of your routine, you can improve your overall health and quality of life.